In this video, we're going to look at a pretty typical word problem involving algebraic expressions. Let's read it. Two friends shop for fresh fruit. Jackson buys a watermelon for $7.45 and 3 pounds of cherries. Aaron buys a pineapple for $3.50 and 2 pounds of cherries. So note that in this first paragraph, all we've gotten is information, but nothing about what problem we're being asked to solve. We're going to find that information in the next set of sentences. Using one variable, write expressions to represent the total amount of money each friend spent. Then write and simplify an expression to represent how much more one friend spent than the other. Okay, so in those directions, we're being asked to do a couple of things. We're being asked to write two algebraic expressions, and then we're being asked to find out which friend spent more money. So let's start by writing those algebraic expressions. I'm going to say that the variable P equals the price per pound of cherries. And Jackson bought a watermelon for $7.45. And I'm going to leave off the dollar signs and just write it as a decimal, $7.45. And in addition to that, he bought 3 pounds, represented by the number 3, of cherries. And 3 multiplied by P because I don't know what a pound of cherries costs. All right, Aaron bought a pineapple, these are some healthy kids right here, for $3.50 plus 2 pounds of cherries. And I'm going to represent that by $3.50 plus 2p. Once again, I left off the dollar signs. Okay, those are my algebraic expressions, and I need to figure out who spent more money, right? I think exactly what they said was represent how much more one friend spent than the other. Okay, clearly Jackson spent more money than Aaron, because that's $7.45, he spent $3.50, 3 pounds of cherries versus 2. I'm going to subtract Aaron's expression from Jackson's. So what does that look like? That looks like this. 7.45 plus 3p minus 3.5, I'm just going to use 3.5, don't really need a 0, plus 2p. Okay, so I'm subtracting. I've got that subtraction symbol. I'm going to treat it as a negative symbol that I'm distributing. So I'm going to start by doing that. And I'm going to rewrite this without parentheses, 7.45 plus 3p. I'm going to take this and this symbol and make this negative, or minus 3.5p, minus 3.5, plus negative 2p. All right, now I'm going to rearrange my terms so that I can combine them. We'll start with that. And let's see, that'll take me to 7.45 minus 3.5 plus 3p plus negative 2p. All right, let's combine these terms. So 7.45 minus 3.5 would be 3.95. And then 3p plus negative 2p would be the same as 3p minus 2p, which would be simply plus p, right? Because this part can be rewritten as 3p minus 2p. Adding a negative is the same as subtracting a positive. All right, so the answer is the expression 3.95 or $3.95 plus 1 pound of cherries represents how much more Jackson spent than Aaron spent.